This video is about getting rid of News98.biz, a malicious website that displays a fake human verification message. It specifically says that you need to click on Allow to verify that you are not a robot. The reality is that clicking on the Allow button is a serious mistake that hijacks the browser that will start pointing you to a lot of suspicious pages on the web. Therefore, you now need to fix the issue as soon as possible. Before you do that, you may check your available Mac applications. It could be that there is some adware that is causing these pop-up troubles. If you find this adware, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Now, getting back to your browser and its redirections by this suspicious site, go to Settings, Site Settings, and now Notifications. You must check the Allow area very carefully, so when you find this News98.biz, click on this related button and remove this site and other suspicious pages from the list. I would also strongly advise scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. It's important because your Mac could be additionally contaminated by some adware or browser hijacker, so Combo Cleaner in its trial mode will perform free scanning of your Mac when you click on Start Combo Scan button. Of course, the removal of malware is not free, it's the part of the premium license. However, the software has got some free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files and Duplicates. So wait until the scanning is completed to see the detailed report about your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threats from your Mac computer. And once all these threats are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.